I hate rainy days. Just walk faster. Wait, do you hear that? Hear what? Oh no, a puppy! It's all alone. It's not scared of us. Poor little thing. There's no one around. Maybe it got lost in the rain. Can we take it home? Mom will never allow it. But it's cold and soaking wet. I know, but... Okay, but we have to hide it. I promise I won't tell. Keep it quiet. I'm trying. Mom is in the kitchen. What do we do? I'll distract Mom. I'll sneak to the storage room. Mom, I'm home. Welcome back. Wash your hands. This will be your home for now. No. Just rest here for a bit, okay? Don't worry.
Diana.
We'll take care of you. Good. Mom can't see here. What's its name? Let's call him Biscuit. Biscuit! I love it. It's getting cold in here. We need to get it something. Alex, are you hungry? Just getting some water, Mom. Did she see you? Almost. Go quickly. Here you go, Biscuit. Drink up. It was really hungry. We saved it. It's still shivering. What do we do? This one is old anyway. Better now? We have to keep this secret. Every single day. Alex, breakfast is ready. Coming, Mom. Eat up before school.
Yes, Mom.
Almost done. Hang on, Biscuit. Not so loud. You're so cute. I wish we could keep you forever.
Where are you going with that?
Just to my room. That was close. Almost there, Biscuit. We're here, Biscuit. Sit, Biscuit. It worked. Now it has a real room. Mom cannot see that sign. Sleep tight, Biscuit. Good boy. I hope we're doing this right. Biscuit? What's wrong? Something's not right. It's shaking. Is Biscuit sick? It won't eat. We need to tell Mom. But Mom will be angry. Biscuit needs help. That matters more. Mom, we need to tell you something. What happened? We found it on the way home. In the rain. We were afraid you'd say no. We're sorry, Mom. Show me. How long? Almost a week. He might have a fever. Please help it, Mom. We need to take it to the vet. Are you angry with us? We'll talk later. Right now, Biscuit needs us. Will Biscuit be okay? Let's find out. The vet is not far.
Hurry, Mom.
Hang on, Biscuit. We're almost there.
Come on, buddy. Just a little walk.
Let's get you checked. We're here, Biscuit. He's a little dehydrated, but I think he'll be okay. Is he really okay? I hope so. He needs rest and proper food. You brought him in at the right time.
Oh, thank goodness.
You'll feel better soon. You were very brave.
Come on, Peanut. Let's see what the vet says.
Why is it staring at Biscuit? That's strange. Biscuit.
Wait, no way.
They know each other.
Look at them. Charlie! I finally found you. I've been looking everywhere.
Charlie?
So Biscuit isn't his real name?
His name is Charlie. But Biscuit is a wonderful nickname.
Charlie slipped out through our backyard gate 5 days ago.
No, bye.
I've been searching for him ever since.
Peanut stopped eating after Charlie disappeared. He missed his best friend.
So Charlie already has a family. And they love him too.
May I take Charlie home?
Mama,
He means everything to us.
We really love him.
But
We'll miss Biscuit. Sometimes loving means letting go. Charlie belongs with his family. Take good care of Charlie. We'll always remember Biscuit.
thank you. You can visit Charlie anytime. I'll never forget your kindness.
Goodbye, Biscuit. Be happy, okay? I'll come visit you. You'll always be Biscuit to us. Take care, buddy. He looks happy. He's finally home. You both have kind hearts. I'm proud of you. We only had him for a week, but we gave him love.